Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can duplicate projects on CapCut PC. So go to menu and select back to homepage. And when you're in that homepage, for instance, you want to duplicate this project, just select the three dots here or simply right click and select duplicate. It's going to duplicate all of your media and the project that you've edited. If I pressed on it, as you can see, I will still have that same media. If you have like a lot on your library, it's going to take longer for you to duplicate the project. But yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!